Today, I'll show you exactly how to blur text in a video using CapCut. Whether you're looking to hide sensitive information or just add a stylish effect, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to blur out any text on your timeline quickly and cleanly. Let's jump right in. First, open up CapCut and make sure you have your video loaded in the timeline, along with the text you want to blur. Maybe it's a phone number, a username, or just something you don't want visible in your final cut. Having both the video and the text ready to go is our starting point. And this is important because the blur effect needs to be applied precisely where the text appears. Next, we'll duplicate the video clip. This means you're going to create an exact copy of your original video and then place it directly above the text layer in the timeline. In CapCut, duplicating is as simple as selecting your video and choosing the duplicate option. Why do we do this? Well, the top video layer is where we'll add the blur, so we want it positioned precisely over the text to make sure the effect sits right. If you imagine layering sheets of paper, the top one is the only one we're going to blur. It'll act almost like a frosted window just for the area we want. Once your duplicated video is sitting correctly above the text, head over to the Effects menu. Here, look for any blur effect. You'll see options like Basic Blur or Gaussian Blur. Honestly, any of these will work fine, so pick one that feels right for your video. Drag that blur effect onto the duplicate video layer. This is what creates the actual blurry look that will hide or obscure your text. Don't worry if it looks like the whole video's gone fuzzy at first. This is just the starting point. We'll refine it so only your text gets blurred. Now, you'll want to make sure you're working with the duplicate blurred video layer. Click on it to select it. In CapCut, select Mask from the tools under this layer. Masks are powerful. They let you choose exactly which part of the video is affected by an effect. In this case, the mask will let us blot out just the area where your text appears. CapCut gives you several mask shapes like rectangle, circle, or even freehand, so pick whichever covers your text best. For example, if your text is a horizontal bar, use the rectangle mask and stretch it over the text. Take a moment here to adjust the mask's position so it lines up perfectly with your text. If the edges look a bit sharp or obvious, you can tweak the feather setting. Feathering softens those mask edges, making the blur blend gently into the rest of the video so it's not too harsh or noticeable. It's a subtle touch, but it really elevates the finished look. Play around. Don't worry if it takes a moment to get it just right. The goal is for the blurred area to cover the text fully without spilling too far onto the rest of the shot. And that's it. Your text is now hidden behind a professional-looking blur. If you ran into any tricky bits or have questions about using masks, effects, or timeline order, drop them in the comments below and I'll help out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more straightforward editing guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.